Hello everyone and welcome back, and in this tutorial we will talk about how to add totals and subtotals to your stock groups and subgroups. So in my previous tutorial I have shown you that how you can create new stock groups and subgroups and how you can manage your stock items by placing them into those groups. So while creating that video I have told you that I will talk about these two following options in later videos, like what is the mean of should quantities of item be added and set alter GST details. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the first option, should quantities of item be added, yes or no. So if we move to stock summary, then here you can see all the primary groups like Micromax, Nokia, Samsung and Videocon. And let's say if I press enter key on Micromax mobile, then you can also see the subgroups that it contains. But one thing you should notice here, that when we are seeing the report of subgroups, then we have three columns here: quantity, rate and value, and it is also showing the closing balance of each of the subgroup. So if I hit enter here, then I can see all the items. However, the subgroups are showing quantity, rate and value, all the three columns, but here in the primary groups we only have the value. So if I press Ctrl plus enter key here for altering the group here, then you can see that this option is set to no. Should quantities of item be added is set to no by default. So if I set it to yes, then you can see that it has started showing the quantity and the rate. So if I press enter key here, then we see the subgroups which are already set to yes for should quantities of item be added. So if we move to Tally ERP 9, and you can do the same thing in Tally ERP 9 by moving to inventory information, stock groups, and let's say I want to alter one of the groups here, Micromax mobiles, and here the option is called can quantities of item be added, yes or no. So you can change that option from by moving to stock groups alteration option. So let's save the changes here, and now I want to do this for all the other primary groups, and you can also do that from by moving to the alter section of masters, and here move to stock groups and then press enter key on the group or subgroup that you want to modify, and then start changing the value to yes. So you can alter one group in a time here, or if you want to alter multiple groups, then you can move to chart of counts and here move to stock groups, then press Alt H key and then choose multi alter, and here choose all items, and now you can set the values to yes for multiple groups at once. Save the changes, and now if we move to stock summary, then we can see the closing balances of all the primary groups and the subgroups, and that is what this option is meant for. So I hope you will like this tutorial. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting on this video, and do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Goodbye and take care.